Former MLA of Nongkrem Constituency, Lambor Malngiang, alongside hundreds of his supporters, officially joined the National People's Party today. The joining ceremony was held in the presence of NPP National President and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, who formally welcomed Malngiang into the party. The event was also attended by NPP State President and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong, Vice Presidents Nyob Halang Dhar, several MLAs, MDCs, party leaders, members and supporters. During the special gathering, the supporters of Lambor Malngiang were also formally inducted into the NPP, marking a significant boost to the party's strength and organization at the grassroots level. The induction is seen as part of the NPP's ongoing efforts to expand its base across constituencies ahead of the future political engagements in the state.
Terjadi kebanggaan syakri ke konstitusi lalu ada ramai pada menang boleh kena penolong agama rumah pakai dibuai jom longin longsan ini kalau kita tahu pada manusia boy nadal pakai kamera kesyakaran dari dibuai ketemu jangan jadi ada nungin kita dibawa jiwa yang terjadi kita bersuara hari ini pun ngayon dan depan yang jangan kembali yang terjadi di mana di momen swing mengenai dia paling bahagia untuk pergi air lagi bahagia sedang kalau kejan apa pun hari ini pun jangan kembali ke depan yang kebanggaan cinta pun berkah bahawa dia belum nampak lagi hadir kami kejadian kecuali nampak lagi pelopi zaman so kondisi tetap berada dari mana hadir pun menjadi strong menjadi siapkan kalau boleh berbentar nak jawab jumpi bangun kita diberi nama kita dan sekarang jumpi pada eji long jaya pada eji mampu penolong kita ini dilatih imam besar banyak yang banyak yang jauh Allah Taala juga lagi jauh kita kecil jauh Allah Taala jauh.
Opposition parties try to bring out different kind of news to distract people. News that is not even true. Just few days earlier, there was news that there's a big rift between the NPP leaders. Preston and Conrad are not talking to each other. Somebody is very angry with Conrad. Friends, I have no words to say. I've been in politics for a very, very long time. I may be young at age. But I have seen politics since I was 12 years old. That was the first time I gave my public speech, when I was 12 years old. And I've been campaigning for the party from that age. I may not have been a person in a big position in the party. I was just a common worker. I used to stick posters for the party. I used to climb a tree and put flag. Sometimes tear poster of the opposition also. That's politics before. But I have been through all of that. And I tell you, in my entire political career till date, which spans living close to 25 years and above, the way the NPP team today is working, I can assure you there is no other team that works like the National People's Party. The kind of unity we have, the kind of commitment we have differences. I'm not saying we agree on everything. This is democracy. We may not agree. But then we come together and we say, fine, we agree to disagree. But we will continue to work together. If there is a difference in opinion, we will be in the room, we will discuss it. But we will come out with one opinion and one decision at the end.